Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Chemistry in Seconds. Today I will teach you molecular mass and formula mass and how are they calculated. First of all, subscribe the channel and like the video. Moving towards the topic, molecular mass and the formula mass. First of all, we have to define what is molecular mass actually. Molecular mass, it is the sum of the masses of all the atoms of elements in a compound. It means molecular mass. It is a mass of a molecule. As we know, molecule is made up of a number of atoms. So when we want to calculate the mass of a molecule, we have to add up the masses of all the atoms of elements which are present in that compound or molecule. It is measured in atomic mass unit. The unit that is used to measure molecular mass is atomic mass unit, and shortly it is represented by AMU. For example, the molecular mass of a compound, ammonia, is 17 AMU. Now, how this ammonia has molecular mass 17 AMU, we will calculate it in our next slide. The term molecular mass, it is used to describe the mass of the covalent compound. Now, keep in mind, the word molecular mass, it is particularly used to describe the mass of a covalent compound. Let's see how can we calculate mass of a compound. As we have compound ammonia NH3 and it is a covalent compound. And when we want to find the mass of this ammonia, we need its formula, that is NH3. First of all, it is made up of one nitrogen atom and three hydrogen atom. We have to add up the masses of all these elements. Like we have to put the mass of nitrogen, that is 14. The atomic mass of the nitrogen is 14, and we will take this mass from the periodic table. It will be multiplied by with the number of atoms of nitrogen, as nitrogen has one atom. So the mass of nitrogen will be multiplied by with 1. We will use sign plus because we have to add up the masses. Then put the mass of hydrogen, that is 1, multiplied by its number of atoms, which are 3. After solving these small brackets, we will get the mass 17 AMU. Next term is formula mass. How can we define a formula mass? The formula mass of any molecule, formula unit or ion is the sum of the average atomic masses of all the atoms present in its formula. It is also measured in atomic mass unit. Now keep in mind, formula mass, this term is used to describe the mass of a ionic compound, and as ionic compounds are made up of ions, so we have to add up the masses of all the ions which are present in that compound. It is also measured in AMU or atomic mass unit. For example, the formula mass of a compound which is sodium hydroxide NaOH, as we know it is ionic compound, its mass is 40 MU. How this 40 AMU is the mass of sodium hydroxide? Let's see. When we want to calculate the mass of sodium hydroxide, we need its formula, that is NaOH. First element is sodium, so we have to put the mass of sodium, that is 23, multiplied by with its number of atoms, which are 1, plus turn of oxygen. Next element is oxygen, so we will put the mass of oxygen, which is 16, multiplied by with 1, plus next atom is hydrogen. Put the mass of hydrogen, which is 1, multiplied by with number of atom that hydrogen has in this compound, which is also 1. After solving all these brackets, we will get 40 AMU, which is the mass of sodium hydroxide. Now remember one thing, the term molecular mass is used to describe the mass of a covalent compound, and the term formula mass, it is used to describe the mass of ionic compound. But the method of the calculation remains same, as these are the two terms which are used to describe the mass of two different type of the compounds, but the method of the calculation remains same. Now let's see, if we have a compound like this, NH4 twice SO4, how can we calculate the mass of this compound? Now you will just bring the subscript that is written out of the bracket, which is 2 in this compound. You will bring this 2 at the first of the bracket. First of all, you will write the subscript 2, then put the mass of nitrogen 14 multiplied by its number of atom 1, then plus mass of hydrogen 1 multiplied by 4. Again, put the mass of sulfur 32 multiplied by with its number of atoms, which is 1, and again next term is for oxygen, mass of oxygen multiplied by with number of atoms, which are 4. Then we will solve small brackets first. After solving the small bracket, we will get 2 into 18 plus 96. Then you will multiply this 2 with the digits which are present inside the bracket. It will be 36, and after addition we will get 132 AMU. Now the mass calculation of the hydrates. How can you calculate the mass of the hydrates? Now, what are the hydrates? Some compounds trap water molecules inside their structure during crystallization, and these compounds are called hydrates, or we can say it hydrated compound. The trapped water molecules, they are called water of crystallization. These are the water molecules which will trap inside the solid compound during its crystallization, and these water molecules, they are called water of crystallization. For example, we have a compound CuSO4 dot 5 water molecule. Now this compound is hydrated copper sulfate, and these 5 water molecules, they are called water of crystallization. Now if we have these type of the compound, how can you find the mass of these compounds? Let's see. Again, we need formula to find the mass of this compound. Copper sulfate dot 5 water molecule. First of all, put the mass of the copper, that is 64, multiplied by with its number of atom, plus next is sulfur. Put the mass of sulfur 32, multiplied by with its number of atoms, which is 1. So we will multiply it with 1. Plus next item is oxygen. You will put the mass of oxygen, that is 16, multiplied by its number of atoms, which are 4. Then this dot mean plus sign, because you have to add up the masses of all the substances, all the atoms which are present in this compound. So this dot is converted into plus sign. Plus 5, and put the mass of hydrogen 1 into 2, and mass of oxygen 16 into 1. I have underlined the part of the water molecule just for your convenience, so that you can easily understand it. After solving the small bracket, we will get this calculation, and after adding all the digits, or after simplification, we will get mass 250 AMU for the hydrated copper sulfate. Subscribe my channel and like the video.